Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. Review: the best foldable phone ever. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is the latest and greatest foldable phone from Samsung, and it's a big improvement over the previous model. In this video, I'm going to give you a general review of the Z Flip5 and cover all of the key features, including the design, display, performance, camera, and battery life. Design: the Z Flip5 has a sleek and stylish design, and it is available in a variety of colors. It is also very durable, thanks to its new hinge design and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus display. Display: the Z Flip5 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that's bright, clear, and sharp. It also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which makes it very smooth and responsive. Performance: the Z Flip5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is the fastest mobile processor on the market. It also has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. Camera: the Z Flip5 has a dual camera system on the back, with a 50MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. It also has a 10MP selfie camera. The camera system on the Z Flip5 is very good, and it takes excellent photos and videos in all lighting conditions. Battery life: the Z Flip5 has a 3300 mAh battery, which is a bit on the small side. However, thanks to its efficient processor and display, it can easily last a full day on a single charge. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is an excellent foldable phone. It has a sleek design, a great display, powerful performance, a good camera system, and decent battery life. If you're looking for a foldable phone, the Z Flip5 is one of the best options available. Subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching. By the way, the product description link is available inside the description. Click on it.